This is the beginning of telling me where is your mark. You see the design of the L? It's already a production of F. Inside of L is the creation of Father, which creates the Son. These are your divisions, and I'm going to show you how they work. Now, don't forget, everybody can describe and create their own, right? We can create this division of C, but the C must be open. So we recreate our C, and this is the way your C is created. This is C. The dollar sign inside of C is here and here. The dollar sign inside of C cannot be here. This is a single line divided, right? If these are your X, marks the spot. Did I do this right? Right? Can you see this? X marks the spot. You have to go here, 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 and here. You have to create 4 X's. And then what you do is you find the line in the center. So let's do this again. We create it here, and we put the line in the center, and we put the line in the center, and the line was created by making each house have divided homes. 4 boxes, 4 boxes, 4 boxes, 4 boxes, and then a shared box between each of the houses. That is your 8. It's the same way as if you do this. How is 0 over 9? And this is something I'm skipping over what I wanted to say, but 0 over 9 is this. Do you see it? It's an 8. When you put 0 over 9, it's an 8. And the only place to get that is at your gateway, number 7. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 7 plus 9 equals 16. 1 plus 6 equals 7. The one spirit of 6. So let's go on, and we're going to create the Y over here. And the same thing comes inside your Y. You must create the box. But notice we have 1 down that split the box in the lower half. And then you would divide your Y. Excuse me, it wasn't that way. We have to do the Y this way. And the same thing, we're going to have 1 line. Okay, now don't forget, there's 2 lines. Now the question is, how close are these lines together? It's this line over here. Or the question, it does not come over. You see the way it doesn't go in between, it goes below it. Then we'd have to make X here and X here, and the line would be in the halfway house. Here we would have 4 quarters. Here we would have 1 quarter. Here's the way everything would be divided up. If we would take this Y and do it on twins, you would have 1 here and you would have 1 here. And this is the way you're automatically going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 4 creates the 16 box, the one spirit of the half-life. The same thing for the dollar sign. We're going to take the dollar sign and we're going to create the single dollar sign online. We create the single dollar sign online. It becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 2 by 4. Creation of the 9 lives of the cat. Or we create the dollar sign that has 2 spikes inside of it. Okay, which can be A as so this way, or the completion of it would be this design over here, going inside the house, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 inside the house, and 6 outside the house, right? That is your design between here. This is your 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3 by 4. That is your 3/4 life. This is also 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 equals 6 and 8. This is your double this. This is your 6 and 8 created from this, split apart. The L over here, okay, takes its own rotation over here, and then it splits it. Either A this way and goes in between the half, or I'm just going to do that the regular way. You're going to see where the halfway house, or it's going to split it exactly over here. And then it continues with your F. So we would have block, continue the line, and continue the line. Why? Because that's where the line stops, but it's a continuation. Since it stops there, it shows the halfway, but I don't want it to. Anyways, the dollar equals to 19 D and O. This here, this L and L is actually the yen, because in Spanish, L and L becomes llama. Why? 24, 19 for A and R, but it's minus. This would be the queen, this would be the plus. D and O towards the vowel. Before the vowel, towards the vowel. L is her queenship in yen. Equals 62, the number to the queen, equals to the time clock in Europe. And we all talk about Big Ben, okay, with the birth of. The yen is 44 area space, and the pound is 52 because we all live in the dog pound of Earth. Inside pound we have second, inside second we have 3327, and inside we have 60 seconds, 60 minutes. Creation of the red sun of either B and B or 88. Then we second beat. Remember, bad beat. How about without second? When we have two, not two without three, not two without three, because we both lost the first. We both lost the first, both 2 and 3. Creation inside 3, and Venus lost to the one spirit. So Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. This is Lisa. I went on to memory bank left and right. Left is 43. Right is 62. Back to the queen again, who's in control of the cycle of the half-life of the resident angel of the spirit. This number over here is in Chaldean. Everything from 20, which is 26 is 20. See, T, when we start at T20, we finish at Z26. We begin with the queen and we end with the queen. Venus, Venus, 7, 7, 9. 977, this is a pig. The right side is a pig. INR is 99. The pig runs out of Jupiter. Jupiter, the biggest planet. Let's make a right turn. GHT, 7 and 8, 15 out of Mars, the pig. Left is 43 DC, 1 times 3, 1 plus 3. 2 aces in the same hole, which is K for the king, because there's an ace inside of here. These 3 are a perfect 7, and it creates father. 3 times 4 is 12, creates father. 3 plus 4 creates the gateway, inside of father, inside the left, the memory bank, the cycle of the 1/4, the Ankh of creation, which is 63, 73, 83, 88 in bank. That is perfect, and it links with purple. Purple has to stand with the skulls and death and memory. It also stands for the sky, which could mean for life, memory, me, or mem, to love. 31, alternate current of the angel. 1, a 10, 19, and 28, equal to 58. 89 is the high sky, a revelation of 1 and 2, and minus or plus, and 4 and 5, the sun. This equals to 7 and 10. 4, 5 is 9, 10, 11, and 12. This will equal to all the worlds. This will equal to the 4, the 1, the 7, the 10, and the 13 from these numbers over here. 1, 2, no 3, 4, and 5. We just need creation in between. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus, which is spirit angel of me, creation of the church, and area space 44. Minus it, you create the doorway. 9 and 2, it becomes 6, it becomes 9 and 8. Memory and the same fit together inside the high church. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.